Introducing the world's first Auracast ceiling speaker. So this has got absolutely everything you need for your in-ceiling audio system all in one. So this has a 100-watt RMS amplifier all built in. It has Bluetooth 5.4 LE audio built in, and obviously an 8-inch driver as well as a pivoting tweeter in the middle as well. Just like our other ceiling speakers that we do, the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi models, this is an all-in-one system. You just add power and then you just connect your phone, your tablet and stream straight to it. But what makes this one different is that this has Auracast built in. So you might ask, what is Auracast? If you imagine a large space which has multiple speakers in, what Auracast can deliver is the capability of having all of them playing simultaneously, but without having cables running between each of the speakers. And how it works is you designate one of the Auracast Bluetooth ceiling speakers as your transmitter. And then you connect your phone, your tablet, your laptop, any device to that one transmitter speaker. Then that speaker will transmit wirelessly using the Auracast protocol 100 meters in every direction of that speaker. Then within that 100-meter area from that speaker, you can then have an unlimited, and that is unlimited, number of devices. So think of it like a radio station which sends a radio signal out, and then you have loads of little radios and devices which can pick up that stream and then play. So this works in exactly the same way, but you're creating like a localized radio station. What that means is you could have more of our Bluetooth Auracast 8-inch speakers dotted around that space. You could have Auracast headphones, and more importantly, you could have Auracast hearing aids, which people with hearing troubles or in care homes, you could imagine, or anywhere, that they can now pick up that stream and listen exactly the same as everyone else is listening. For commercial environments, it's a game changer. Before it was induction loop systems and tannoy announcements that nobody could hear. What this technology delivers is the ability that anyone can tap in. And you can think of the applications that you would use this in. You could imagine a gym, restaurant, cafe, shop, etc. You can imagine a doctor's surgery where they have these speakers. People with hearing aids can tap into the signal of the speakers when they make announcements of what waiting rooms are available. For the accessibility market, it's a complete game changer what this product delivers. You can imagine the future of commercial audio is Auracast. This is what it's really designed for, but equally it works amazingly in a home. If you have a large open plan space, you want a bit more bass, because obviously it's an 8-inch driver here, and that will deliver more depth and more bass. Lithe Audio 8-inch Auracast ceiling speaker. Check out our website for more information. Leave comments below or send some questions to us if you have anything you want to ask about the product.